dia no anasa Sompa life wo so betimi ahwa ye na wo comment no watumi dia bana Ghana mu na sa bibima mu ane ye kwa kwasha se dia free wonim se Afcon under 20 tournament no me patro gusu da ya ekoso nyame ya tomu a ebo 3 pm a South Africa wo mo Tanzania na betumi ase akan ama no ye Sierra Leone 6 pm kan no wo mo so bekwa away na woni Egypt so atumi akwa kwasi akan a eno ne kakra ye free woba na me patro per report ametetie ene se haso folk wo mo female team my friends say ok ladies no me patro wo mo so anya qualification ya tresa next season no me patro wo mo so betumi akwa kobo Mota Guinness Ghana Women's Premier League ni bi ya tresa nya sem keto ma next season 2025-2026 no so wo say ye bo e ma football e wo ma Ghana mu a haso folk wo mo female team ya friends say ok ladies no me patro per report tresa wo mo so betumi akwa kosi akan ni bi na ne o manyina da enso atumi akoyie na per report ametetie ene se nyame ya duma on Saturday and I want to me about one more last game. I was this season mu anya some ketwama. Enti after that last game no, and your background one more champions just anya some ketwama kra. Me pacho weni kakra ye free waba. Yes ye jeje mo. And so to me dia metie for. Na me pacho wo bo wura Ghana Premier League ni mu a. Me pacho ma me front to anymore. Sa disciplinary committee no. One more so the report be a pieja. Na per report one more dia ban sanctions one more so to me dia pieja ni kire mu a. Now, sir, 8 Access Bank Division 1 League clubs be one more. One more breach Article 34 no of the Ghana Premier League Division 1 2019 Act no. Chasanya some keto makura. One more chance we show panwa. Na GFA 2024-2025 pre-match directives be one more. 1 month to me and find Yajuma. And it says see an asotri ya dear bet me a call. And so to me dear man one more. Chasana kakwa free wapa. Now one more chamo cramposa 1 month or so. And to me and pre-match interviews. Ewa one more say bre one more up to Friday. Say nyame ya dom na Friday do na 1 month to me ama me ya no die ntia pre-match interviews na to me akwaso a asotwe so betumi akọ to me dia ma 1 month say we ne kakra ya me patcho free waba na owura ne din ene safu duku papa no wonim say wono na kasa adema kro bia kumasi asante kotoko na panyipa no so dia todwa ya wo che se wo magaba one ma hyase a wo monitor players Wamwo krobia kumasi asante kotokomu ya chese nya sam keto makura enti wo ye player bi na chese wo de wuchirim ya wo dedede wo relax na wote wo wonya wadwene so ba ye adwuma no abobo e de amakrobia kumasi asante kotokode a ene na woni ano hyase na pack utus no na hyase se wo dwane sanse wo mo no after this season was a player chese wo modern bono en shedan so ani papa bia en fa makrobia kumasi asante kotokono e yade se wo betumi agya wo kwan na ne o manyina da timi akoyie wase wo kade a kire players no se player bien one mo a we ya above club ya kumasi asante kotoko me pacho weni kakra ye free woba na me pacho run din ane frempo manso wonim se won na head coach Edema Bibiani Gold Stars na papa na nyakwanya ne central forward nkomo ana wo kirem se no kwasem pa ne se wo hwemu a Bibiani Gold Stars no wo mo advantage bebre se wo betumi win this season Ghana Premier League no acha se nya asem keto ma wase wo hwe table no so a Bibiani Gold Stars ne dikan wase bibia da de pefe se nyame yatomo a this season no enkunimdie ebetumi ayomodia.
Now we have 4 games. We have three home games and then 1 away game. So yes, it's still difficult, but we'll take that inspiration that we haven't lost at all. So we'll try and then win the home games. Yes, and then the away game, yes, we'll also fight for something.
I was your way, coach and D, and a friend Paul Manso, no, and a head coach. Adema Bibiani Gold Stars near Turning Cano. Nama Patron, a crack or penny pano. Wababe Johnson, Trophy, Quan Watchers, and Wushamu Panua. And no quas some no said Bibiani Gold Stars, no. One way well prepared. Chasanya, some Ketomakura. Was it Wushamu Panua this season, no. 1 way ready. So one bet me a JD, see woman also. Essence, one more resources I would drop in. Was he about a football, no players, no. One more boy. Mbo enti nyame yadma one more share anymore. So this season no one bet me adjust woman also.
I have not heard this rumor you are talking about, but when we win, we definitely we have the resources, we have everything. So for us, that shouldn't be a problem.
Abusua where Bibia ni Go Stars. One head coach near turning can you from Paul Manson and your Tessa what judge Semu and so dear man central for no. Me patro ye bowram with Vision FC one makachia. Not just will run Dean and then Najma win himself upon one year coach. Yeah, what a Vision FC. One more no me patro will run no. Sebra will bowram with Vision FC one makachia. I'm in front to anymore. Say Ghana Premier League table no. One with the 14th position. Yeah, Ronica cry ye free wapa. One more 4 points a pair. So I'm so bet me a bowramu. Now one more relegation zone anymore. Just another cry ye free wapa. Now I don't know coach and Dean and Najaman. One is some trophy dim Komoya watches her. Bibia Sunyame. One would do more of them no. Vim and Vigo. Say one bet me a dim kunimo. And to Mudia one more shining was a Ghana Premier League no. One bet me a can one for born and your menata. And such me a koyi.
Second time or the third time I've actually been asked this question. I've said it time and time again. I don't think I've ever thought about Vision going to relegation. I know my boys can rise to the occasion. I said when they were going to rise to the occasion, I wasn't going to change my style. I was going to motivate them and help them to play the way I wanted them to play. Now that they even have a grasp of what I want them to do, I can assure the fans that we're not going. We're going to stay, and next season people are going to see the better side.
Sompa Sports.
I was your way and not Germany at turn and canu bowram of Vision FC. One makachi papa, one day coach Yawadano, and the Atessa Water Jensemo, and so to media guano. Name Pato Yanko Crobia Kumasia Santa Kotoko, one makachi near Fakakra, and soon to me Piefri one famamua. Nessa coach our buy and chelkra, Ora Abdul Karim Zito, when himself none what a game or Crobia Santa Kotoko, one coco boy and womudim kunimo, and so a woman a penny pano, one of the central for Dinkomo, and watches a welcome will be at it. So on a Thursday training day, I am one fanya quadrocra, was a wood shamwa, and on a yan what I prepare the first 11. So one bet to media quaco ball, and Sakabasa Krobia Kumasia Santa Kotoko, one bubble board this weekend, and yet Thursday, and no bet me a training I want to dear, walk cardia to the players and all. So one more home day, and what Thursday match and that's a training now, one must obey a mono, and yet there's on the first 11 no, will be you as in chain.
Very important, especially Thursday's training. I don't joke with Thursday training. I form my team on Thursdays, and if you go according to what I want you to do, exactly you play. So those who have coached before will tell you, Papa, we this is my policy. So I think yes, we work a little bit with the endurance, but the talking was too much. And then I did a lot of finishing. Almost every day I do finishing. Because at the end of the day, if you don't shoot, you can't score. So I'm very happy that at least we got one goal out of what we did.
Sompa Sports.
Abusia where Krobia Kumasia Santa Kotoko one coach, Ora Abdul Karim Zito, and Yatessa one also Casa Waja Jensemo, Adiago Name Pato Yebo Ghana Premier League, match day 30. Now when you send Yami Yadma on Friday, and after weekends, no matches I would drop Pinoa, and so bet me a Toja, when you say Vision FC, one back away. Now one Mediama Sporting Club, no, and so to Miako Siaka, and I'm a part of sad game where no, a 6 p.m. and I bet me a password. Now on Sunday, no, Accra Sports Stadium and a house of folk one bet in a fee, and what 3 p.m. Okay, now I know Krobia Kumasia Santa Kotoko, and so to Miako Siaka, when him said Dr. Kwame J Sports Complex and all, and a Nations FC, one was also bet me at in a fee, now on the Accra Lions and so, at me a Siaka, and what Dr. Kwame J Sports Complex are, and on the Kakra free wapa, me patch my main front to anymore. Say Bechem United, one so bet in a fee, and one nana for Sujia Boa Parker, and we at 3 p.m. Okay, one in Legon cities, and a bet me a Siakai, Yanona Kakra free wapa, when you say Brekum Chelsea, one back away, now one near Diana Football Club, no, and such Miako Siakaya, and Nanajma Bedu Park, and a sad game we no, and also bet me a password at 3 p.m. and a bet me a password, me patro ya bom woman here, and so dear met here for, now me patro my main front to anymore, say FC Samatas 1996 no nyame yaduma wo Pando Stadium one back away now one House of Lions or so and so to me akwakosia kanya and no 3 p.m. ya no ne kakra ye free waba wonim say Young Apostles one bet na fie our Wenchi Sports Stadium 3 p.m. now one Baseke Holy Stars and so to me akwakosia kan na Bibia ni Go Stars one Karela United esa game ni bet me abaswa me patro ne 3 p.m. ya to say and so ya jajemu sensemo edia metie for wo na yeka Ghana Premier League matches awodo no de na ne na ye bo awura mu ewo Ghana Football Association one makachi no nim se panyipa ye woda no wono akora ya sebre no wono na baba ya second vice president edia maka for chasanya sem keto makra ye rocket okraku ne wasem ana me pacho me bomu amane de akere wo no na panyipa na nya kwanya ye wono sem trofo di nkoma chase wo boni sem se ya edema KGL a wo kire se won ma yade wo modern po no so nani wo se wo hwemu pa no a enei wonim se enu adame de baba to wani mo sa Ghana Football Association wamni KGL one ma sensan deal bia chasa KGL no wamo baba sponsor Ghana ya football matches awudo e bebo titiru and the Blasters of Ghana eno ne kakra ye free wapa we ye 2-year sponsorship deal sa game no eno so betumi apaso ama one so tumi aso yesene ya chasa nya sem keto ama eno na wo run di ene keto kreku papa no wo chasa wo hwemu pa no kwasam no se KGL for no na won mo ka hu bi ana in the year 2022 World Cup as a Ghana boy wakata no Ghana nyoma nyina da tumi ko ye was sa brani mu no KG for so yasene enti was so dia basobo enso edema wo mu
your partnership with the FA ensured that last time was qualified for the European country. And today we are here again for perhaps a very, very important ceremony that would ensure that we keep our promise to our football
Sompa Sports.
And then hopefully take us to the Mundial again, the US of A. On behalf of the FA, we are very grateful for your determination to see us succeed. We are very grateful for your avowed commitment to see Ghana football go beyond the lines in which we find ourselves today. Your investment would ensure that everybody within the football ecosystem benefits from this, for which we are very, very grateful.
Sompa Sports.
Abusia wei aya Ghana Football Association panyipa ya wadano ye racket okreku ana me patwa ye tenen kan no so jejensemu adiago na ye hotel na mono na okay was stand up for the champions me patwa champions ye mpo wura mu ankrofo krokro so na ya fa kakra bi ntumi mama somwa na sa UEFA Champions League semi-finals no e won ye sha se dia firi wunim se enrada games awodo pinu a enso tumi todwa na Arsenal boboko no wo mo crucial game editia Paris Saint-Germain Emma Arsenal tena fie ye nhwehan Emma Paris Saint-Germain babo one baako a one man tumi ante abrantia ne din ene Ousmane Dembele wano ene she goal edema Paris Saint-Germain na no kakra ye free wapa me patro enebo 7 pm a wonim se Barcelona betera fie na wato nsa de frɛ Inter Milan sakense ne betumi apaso ya anya sam ketuama na wonim se medinka boamane se abrantia ne din Ousmane Dembele eno da wo Paris Saint-Germain bo a wo mo boye editia Arsenal boboko no wono na she goal edema won ma na nya sam ketuama na me patro ma me front wani mo se abrantie no waye 45 goals contribution na cha this season ne model bono eye superb a cha nya sam ketuama kura wonim se wa 45 games e wo this season yi mo ya cha ne contribution no ni goals nkwaya 45 this season ya cha ne model bono etumi kwankan ye pa enti wontimi nyi top 5 players a chese UEFA Champions League ni won pomoden wa bra Ousmane Dembele wono so tumi ma meka ho bi eno ne kakra ye free waba na me patcho wonim se Arsenal before enra one more game against Paris Saint-Germain no wonim say na wo biada entumi enhwe say won betumi ahye Arsenal e wo one mu homu a na no ne kakra ye free waba na so enra wonim say Paris Saint-Germain e kokoshe one mu baako ya Arsenal boboko no enso entumi anti-bi ya won ne kakra ye free waba chasa this season wo hwemu a games a wodro ya one more bono Arsenal boboko no one more draw one pe ya no ne kakra ya no so no ya so yetimi ajeje mo enso entumi dia tiefo na me patro medin kakachro se wo bowra mu English Premier League ni mo Liverpool wo mo na ye champions e wo this season English Premier League ni mo na per report ametetie and say on May 26 2025 no and na Liverpool boboko no wo mo trophy parade no eno so betumi apaso anya samketo ama wonim say the last time won mo ye bie no aye 2019 eno sabra na English Premier League no cha say wo mo na GC wo mo na so ya trophy ni ba one mafa that 2019 no na nya sanketo makura nipa besa 750,000 eno ya supporters nko a ya wo mutisi monteso ye nko chese Liverpool na one more tinkunimo enti this season no nyame ya adoma May 26 a chese sa trophy parade no eno so betimi abaso no Liverpool boboko no one more shani mu se nipa dodo ebetimi aba no ebetimi aburo bese 8,000 a chese no ne kakra ye jejemo enso tumi dia metiefo wurum se medi kakacho se no nwatwe bose keinu a na se ye jejemo ede ametiefo dada na se yakwa awurade asemu enso tumi dia baba somu a na se eya Sompa 106.5 na basa wonu crucial game no womne Inter Milan wunim se medi kakacho dada se sa game wenu betimi abaso eya 7 pm a chese enya sanketo makura na me pato no nwatwe no abokei enti wose ye dia awurade asem enso tumi baba somu na nyoma nyina da enso tumi kwayi na se eya Sompa 106.5 FM Sompa 106.5 FM was this is our own. Let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League no entumi nyina ne naso na se midin ene Akosua Agyeiwaa Kodie boate wo brempo ma me mowura ni sei na se wo desia ba so tie akire na wo chinchin na Facebook ni YouTube no men na so se no na se mitiri mo ya me dadada na se bi huru ba bi kura me fa de no kwopɔ me keka ni sei ya na de ma nyina koyi be wi akira wo di kura lo jaza won kai eya wo dawu na nya sam keto ma wo se this is our own. Let's cherish our own Ghana Premier League no enso ntumi fa no tuma pemfra yekɔ ne de awurade asem every Victory Charismatic Chapel eya Pastor Frank ne nkyɛn enso tumi abesom.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our